Novice traders know that the stock market has regular trading hours. Unless it's a holiday, the market as we know it is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from Monday to Friday. Billions and billions of shares are traded every single day, making this market one of the most liquid and efficient in the world. What new traders may not know is that the stock market is also open for business before and after regular trading hours. Called the pre and post market trading sessions, these extended hours allow investors to trade stocks between the hours of 4 a.m. and 9:30 a.m., as well as 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. for the post market sessions. Compared to the billions of shares traded during the day, after hour sessions trade only a small fraction of that volume, which invites other problems retail traders have to consider when attempting to trade outside of the normal day. Can you make money trading after hours? Yes, but you have to know a couple of things, especially if you're trading on a platform like RobinHood, before you dive in and make your first after market trade. The first and most important thing to take note of for Robinhood users is that although other trading platforms let you trade the full extended sessions of 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., as well as the 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. session, Robinhood limits this time further by allowing users to trade only between 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. for the morning pre-market and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for the after-hour session. That's an extra 2.5 hours of market access every single day. And while it may not be the full extended hour availability other platforms give you, it's enough to get what you want as a beginner. So why would anyone even want to trade outside normal hours other than sheer convenience and or addiction? Well, there can be many reasons, but the two main ones are earnings announcements and activity in foreign markets. As you already know, companies typically announce quarterly earnings before or after the bell. These come with fresh news announcements and large volatility swings. Traders looking to play off these earnings reports can trade after or pre-markets to capture these large swings. Another reason may be foreign market activity. In the crazy 2020 market, this may not be as common, but there were instances in the past where you can get an idea of how the US markets would open based on how markets in other areas like Asia were doing. Because of the time difference, the Asian market would be ahead, and judging from its performance, one could get a good idea of where things here in the US were headed. Just keep in mind, if you're looking to make your first trade in these extended sessions, there are some risks. The biggest being lower liquidity. Liquidity refers to the ability of market participants to buy and sell securities. The more orders that are available, the greater the liquidity. This is very important because with higher liquidity, it becomes easier for investors to buy or sell securities, and as a result, investors are more likely to pay or receive a competitive price for securities purchased or sold. Your orders, especially big ones put in after hours, may only be partially executed or not executed at all. And on top of this, there is risk of high volatility. Prices can change quickly, and being able to adjust is key. As I stated earlier, because of the lower liquidity, bid-ask spreads will likely be wider than normal, so the price you pay may be much higher than what you could sell the stock for even microseconds later. To combat this, Robinhood actually does a couple of things by default to help protect you. For extended hour sessions, market orders are automatically converted into limit orders with a 5% collar to help cushion against any significant upward price movements. They also convert market sell orders to limit orders with a 5% collar as well. These cushioning maneuvers act against the increased volatility and decreased liquidity and provide you with a safety blanket of sorts. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed, and make sure you comment below if you use the pre and post market sessions on Robinhood.